Hey guys, welcome to this new episode. Today's episode is the number 16, episode number 16, and it's really exciting, you know. And this week it's been pretty good, or I could say almost perfect, because in this week I could make a calculator which maybe you think it's like so easy and everybody can do it, but believe me, it's exciting for me. It's the first app or web app that I built myself. Not obviously, I used Google's help, you know. If you can see here, this Google logo, I used Google because I needed some help, and obviously I'm not an expert. I'm learning, I'm in the process. This is my second week with JavaScript, and yeah, and thanks to this book too. Let me show you really quick. This book right here is incredible, man, incredible. It shows you JavaScript in an easy way or easygoing way, you know. Like it's not hard to understand. It's funny, like it's fun. You have fun reading that book and going through the exercises and all that you have to go through so you can learn JavaScript. And yeah, I'm going to show you my calculator app, and now I have a screen recorder, so it's going to be easier, way easier. Another thing that I have to say, what is it? Yeah. Okay, this next week I'll be just working on JavaScript and, you know, seeing what I can do and all that stuff. I was like doing some research, and I came to a website called Treehouse, and you know, it's kind of interesting. I want to see all the stuff that they have, but you know, I want to finish this book too, and I want to go like progressively, if I can say that. Yeah, I don't want to take courses everywhere and not know where I'm going. I have to have a path so I know what I'm doing, and you know, you'll understand later. So right now, let's go to see the app on the computer, and yeah, let's go. Hey guys, here we are on my computer, and here you can see my calculator. As you can see, it works. Let's say 20 minus 5, 15 times 10, whatever, 150 times 20. You know, it works. And as you can see, when I press the function buttons, it shows you the history up here, times 8, the result down here. And when you push a button, it changes the color, which is really cool for me. I don't know, I like it. Now let's show you the code really quick. Here is the HTML, the first part. Here's the div, calculator, everything goes inside here. The history, the numbers that I showed you up here, let's say times. Okay, here's the number. And that's the history. The output is when you have a result, let's say minus 500 equal to all this. Fuck it. Yeah, and here's the result, output value and all that, you know. And all these are the buttons, basically the numbers, the functions and all that. The empty spaces are these empty spaces. Well, it's a button, but I just put an empty class and an empty ID, and then I just put it on with the same color as the background, so it doesn't do anything and it doesn't show. So here you can see the code, the body, margin 0, padding 20 pixels. Here the calculator, the width, the height and all that. Here's the color for the history, the numbers, and you know, here the color for the buttons. And when you press the buttons, they change the color. So here's the CSS for that. So yeah, let's go to JavaScript. Here's all the JavaScript. Here's the functions to print the numbers on the screen. This function right here is something that I got struggled with, because at the beginning when I was doing this I couldn't delete negative numbers. So the solution ended up being this. I put an if num is equal to minus, return. So that made this possible to just delete the negative numbers, because let me show you what just happened. Well, it will not happen anymore, but let's say that I had like 50 minus 60, just, and minus 10, and if I pressed this, I couldn't delete it. Like it would never delete it, and it would show NaN, which is this that I have right here. Let me show you where it is. Here, the output. And you know, here's all the code. I might upload it to GitHub if you are interested. You know what? I will upload it to GitHub. So if you have a better solution, like if you, obviously some of these will be bad, you know, because I'm a beginner and sometimes I don't know what I'm doing, or most of the times. But here's what I did. If you know a better way to do it, or if you see something that is wrong, just tell me so I can improve. And that would be like a big help if you tell me, hey, you are wrong here because of this and of that, and you can change this because it's not effective what you wrote there, or whatever, you know. You can tell me whatever you want to tell me, and I'll consider it and improve my code and get better. But you know, this is some basic stuff. It's not even something big. It's my first thing. Obviously I used Google. You know, Google is the best, because you can search whatever you want and find an answer. But anyways, this is my calculator. I hope you liked this episode, the episode number 16. So I'll see you the next week on the next video, and yeah, see you later. Bye.